Probability has some vocabulary that we really need to understand. So whenever we have a probability situation, we might use or think about the terms of theoretical probability and experimental probability. Theoretical is when things should happen, or the likelihood of an event happening. Experimental probability is when you actually test this out, you put it into action. So an example of this would be, I have a 6-sided dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a 1 chance out of 6 to land on a 3. However, if I roll this dice 6 times, theoretically, I should be able to roll a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6. Maybe not in that order, but theoretically, that's what should happen. But if I were to test this out, like experimental probability, is when you actually put it into action, it doesn't always work out like that. The more data you have, the more times you throw it. If you did this 6,000 times instead of 6, it would probably be more accurate to the theoretical. Because the more data, it does become more along these lines. So for example, if I thought I'm going to roll a 6, my chances of rolling a 6 in the next 6 throws is 1 out of 6. So let's see it. We're going to roll this 6 times. Let's see how this works. Here we go. First roll is a 3. Okay, I'm going to put a 3 up here. 3. 1, 3. Next roll is a 2. So we've had a 3 and a 2. Next roll is a 2. Oh. 3 more rolls. Next roll is a, oh, it's under the table. It's a 4. 4. Next roll. It's a 1. So I've had 5 rolls. One last roll. It's a 4. So, hello Miss Rebecca. We're just learning about experimental and theoretical probability.
I came to use your MABs. Mr. Blair's talking to his students.
I'm not, I'm talking to myself.
Oh, are you?
Doing a video.
Oh.
That's okay. So, in this case, while someone steals all my goodies, look at her. Look at her. Looking suspicious. In this case here, you'll find it. We had 6 throws. Mr. Blair was after a 6. He didn't land any on a 6. Theoretically, I should have 1 on a land. I should have rolled a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6. Theoretically. However, when I did the experiment, it didn't come out. I rolled a 1, which is 1 out of 6. This one, I landed 2 times out of 6. 1 out of 6, 2 times out of 6. And for these ones, 0, 0 out of 6. So if I add them all up, it should give me 6 out of 6. So experimental is different to theoretical. We'll pause that there.